Hey everyone, this is my newest bike check on my mongoose menace. The first video that I made of this one is on my other channel. I made a new one, and if you want to look at that, it's under MaxD131, and it'll just be mongoose menace bike check. And then here's the new one. Same frame, just painted red. Same handlebars as the other video. Aaron Ross bars. New forks, fly forks. The Bontrager tire on the front, F303X rims. My little skull cap. Odyssey twisted pedals. Let's see, just a mongoose stem and everything up there, all stock. Let's see what else. Back tire is an Animal GLH. Stolen revolver rim. What else? Same seat as in the other video. My sprocket is a stolen Eternity, I think. Let's see. Yep. Stolen Eternity. Same brand the cranks are though. I got them from one of my friends because I broke my other ones. I don't know what those are. And yeah, that's about it really. Not much has changed. A couple things. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.